Oh my God, it's on TV. 6. Nope, not there. Let's go to 19, shall we? 19. It's on TV.
Please come in. We'll let you know exactly what your options are. With the Patient Centered approach, our team is dedicated to building a custom plan for you. And that's to provide you with dental health and a great smile in an environment that's warm and friendly.
What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the East Branch Brandywine Creek below Downingtown from this afternoon to this evening. At 3:31 p.m. Monday, the stage was 7.1 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet.
Okay.
Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast.
I knew it would happen.
I knew it
would come when I was
river stage in the
filming
24 hours
over there.
ending
I
at
knew it.
3:31 p.m. Monday was 7.1 feet. Forecast.
Fun.
The river will fall below flood stage late tonight to 6.9 feet and then begin rising late this afternoon. It will then rise above flood stage late this afternoon to 8.8 feet late this
This
evening.
video is going to be a long one.
It will fall below flood
Watch
stage
a
again late
doubleheader
tonight.
happen.
Impact at
Not
6.0
the same
feet.
thing, but...
Open adjacent land next to the creek floods. Impact at 8.0 feet. Downwind Forge Road begins to flood. Impact at 9.0 feet. High water on the...
Oh, you're not telling me. No, okay. Good. Okay. Sorry about my messy floor.
9.2 feet on October 23rd, 2003.
God.
Here is the official national weather.